Long-sleeve sweatshirts for fall outfits. Elevate your casual fashion with our Trendy Queen. Oversized hoodies, perfect for chilly fall and winter days. Comfy material, crafted from a blend of 50% polyester and 50% cotton, this thick and cozy material ensures you stay warm and comfortable, making it ideal for the colder seasons. Design features. Our long-sleeve zip-up hoodie boasts a stylish design with solid colors for a timeless look, lapel and adjustable drawstring collar to keep your neck warm, full zipper for a modern touch, convenient kangaroo pockets for added functionality, dropped shoulder and ribbed hem and cuffs for a relaxed, loose fit. Versatile. Matching. This casual pullover hoodie is a staple piece in your wardrobe. The chic stand collar and high-quality zipper create a fashionable silhouette. Plus, the basic solid color pairs effortlessly with any outfit, ensuring you stay stylish all season long. Perfect for any occasion. Whether you're running, dancing, cycling, hiking, or just enjoying daily wear, this hoodie is suitable for all activities. It's a great choice for travel and everyday outings during fall and winter. Stay trendy and cozy with the Trendy Queen Women's Zip-Up Hoodie.